What kind of skills and background do you need to get the full benefits of studying Agile Programme Management, AgilePgM? The course supposes some exposure to either traditional portfolio, program or project management, or to team-level Agile methods. For example, project managers, program managers, PMO managers, risk managers, procurement professionals, senior business people who have responsibility for programs, and ambitious Scrum Masters, developers and business analysts who want to contribute more to their organisation at the highest level. Remember to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you're interested in free project and program management resources, click the link below in the description. Follow Good eLearning on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for regular project and program management resources such as posters, articles, videos and study guides.